गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन। इस समय हो रही है बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी, प्लस यहाँ पे डॉग भी है। देयर इज़ वन बिग डॉग। सो आई एम इन अ केरला हाउस, जहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो बहुत सारे प्लांट्स हैं। ये सब मेंटेन किए जाते हैं, खुद से नहीं बनाए जाते। तो इन सब को आप देखो, हर घर में सबसे मैंडेटरी होती है तुलसी। और मलयाली हाउसेस में जो मोस्ट कॉमन थिंग होती है वो होती है वेल। तो अगर आपके घर में वेल है तो ऐसा कहते हैं हिंदी में कि कुबेर का खजाना है। तो केरला में सबके घरों में वेल्स होती हैं। और देखो इस वेल को कितने अच्छे से मेंटेन किया गया है, प्लांट्स के साथ इसको डेकोरेट किया गया है। लेट मी शो यू हाउ इट लुक्स लाइक। Scared to check the depth of it, but there is very huge aloe vera also. Like in Kerala's climate, it's not easy to grow aloe vera because of the climatic conditions. So basically aloe vera is grown in a place like Rajasthan, UP, so there like little bit dryness is required. But it's very strange that in Kerala there is lot of aloe vera is also grown. I do not know how much maintenance is being given to this. And we have few roses also. So basically, if you will go to any Malayali's house or in Kerala anyone's house, you will find this much of greenery well maintained, because Keralites are much obsessed with maintaining the peace with the nature, and that's how we are supposed to live. So nowadays we have started removing the plants and we started living, but that is not the right way to live. अच्छा, मैं आपको यहाँ का एक गेट का पैटर्न दिखाती हूँ जो मैंने यहाँ बहुत कॉमन देखा है। मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ। इस टाइप के गेट्स देखने को मिलेंगे। इस टाइप के जो गेट होते थे हमारे मतलब ओल्डर टाइम्स में, अगर आप बात करें तो वुड के जो बहुत ज़्यादा आप कह सकते हो बहुत ही क्लासी गेट्स हैं। आप देख सकते हो ये एंटीक उसमें आता है फॉर्म में। अच्छा, मुझे इतनी नॉलेज नहीं है पर्सनली, मैं तो बस आपको जस्ट दिखाई रही हूँ, बिकॉज दीज आर द कॉमन थिंग्स विच यू विल फाइंड इन द हाउस ऑफ मलयाली और Keralite. I do not know whether in Tamil Nadu or Andhra Pradesh or anywhere else also this is same, because I haven't seen it. But in UP or might be if you talk about other places, this kind of entrance is not common. So plants will be there for sure, but there is a uniqueness. As you can see, the type of gate, the type of entrance. You can see this entrance. It's more like a cafe, okay? So if I am living in such house, I will just have a cup of tea and enjoy the peace of the nature. Actually, I can hear the sounds. So this is really good. And this place is much surrounded by rubber trees and pineapple plantation. So these are the common things which you will find in Kerala. So how many of you have your own pineapple plantation? Please comment over here, because most of the Malayalis have pineapple plantations in their home. That's what the biggest, you can say, like advantage of having Malayali friends is, because one day I went to meet a like person from Kerala. I went to their house and they greeted me with the fresh pineapples and they were super duper tasty. I have never eaten such good pineapples anywhere else. So that's what the specialty is all about.
केरला में मेनली जितने भी आप हाउसेस देखेंगे ना, यहाँ पर पीस को बहुत ज़्यादा मेंटेन किया जाता है। ज़्यादातर जो घर होंगे वो आपको सराउंडेड मिलेंगे ट्रीज से, और साथ के साथ हर घर में एक वेल मैंडेटरी होगी। अच्छा, आप मुझे कमेंट करके बताइए कि केरला में और क्या क्या चीज़ें हैं जो घरों में कॉमन होती हैं। एंड द अदर मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग इज़ कि आप किसी भी केरला मतलब आप केरला में किसी के भी घर जाए ना, तो अपनी स्लीपर्स को बाहर उतार के जाइएगा। दिस इज़ लाइक ये हमारा जो कल्चर है वो ऐसे ही बोलता है कि आपको किसी के घर पे ऐसे ही जाना चाहिए, बट इन केरला इट इज़ स्टिल मेंटेन्ड वेरी नाइसली. Most of the houses will have front yard, backyard, which will maintain the peace of the house, because the surrounding is very much well maintained with the nature. And in the entrance of this house, as we are seeing God, so it depends. These are just the design which people customizes based on their needs. It is not something mandatory, but
So we have these beautiful paintings This is basically Marwadi painting, and here is me. So this house is totally decorated by my friend Dakshina, who is hiding over there. Say hi. So the plantations which you have seen over here is done by her, and the paintings which you are seeing here and the decoration, the entire decor which you can see, this is entirely done by Dakshina. You can see how beautifully the kitchen is maintained. The kitchen decoration is much better. And in the Kerala house, what you will find now, like this is the base kitchen where the entire cooking will be happening. But there will be a secret kitchen in every Malayali's house. That will be kitchen connected with the backyard. Now, what is the reason behind a kitchen being connected with the backyard? That even I do not know so far. But you will find so much of like things which are naturally grown up, like mangoes, chakka, these kind of things, and the pots, these clay pots. So these kind of things you will find only in a kitchen of a person who is from Kerala. But I do not think so whether like nowadays flats are made, so I do not know whether same thing is maintained or not. But this is the most secret kitchen which I have found in any Kerala house. Like you can see, this is the main kitchen. Okay, after the main kitchen there is another kitchen which is a secret kitchen. I do not know why this kitchen is used and why it is made. You just comment and let me know about the reason of this.
So this is the house of my company's CEO, Tech Neurons. So we came here for a shoot.
I was telling you, there are like what I found in Kerala houses which is very much uncommon is their kitchen have a secret kitchen. Okay, like I showed you. Apart from the main kitchen, there is another kitchen which is much connected with the outside. It is more like connected with the backyard of the house. So I do not know the reason. So let's ask our friends who are from Kerala. So we have Sharat sir over here and Dakshina over here. So I'll take them in the frame and I'll show you.
You want to know the reason of the secret kitchen?
Yes, I really want to know.
Ask them.
Please, Dakshina.
I don't know.
You can even tell us in Malayalam because I am learning Malayalam, so I can understand Kurchu Malayalam.
See, that's an architectural secret.
But sir, it is very uncommon. Like we have never seen such, like in North India, only there is one kitchen. But here there is like you have clay pots, you have like chakka and mangoes and all. Only in that kitchen. Why is it
That's
so?
a store, no?
It's a store.
Yeah.
Okay. Or
So
is it
it's
something like we are cooking non-veg and all with the outside?
Nothing like that.
No.
Nothing like that.
Okay.
See, one part is just for show.
Haha.
The other part we will keep the extra items.
Okay. So I just wanted to know a secret also. Who have like designed this house? Like who is maintaining this house? I showed to my subscribers also. You have maintained the core Kerala culture in your house. So who is the person behind it? Miss Dakshina or Mr. Sharat? Both. That is like collaboration work within the two.
Yes.
Okay. So what is like? What would you like to tell the viewers who are not from Kerala? Like what kind of things should be maintained in the Kerala house? One is we saw like there is lot of greenery in your house. You have maintained a very good.
See, it is not necessary to be Kerala house, no? It can be done in any house.
Yeah, that is true. But the thing is the.
See, this is a contemporary design only. It's not a traditional design.
Huh. But like having a well in the house, it's like very uncommon thing.
Almost in South India, you have.
Entire South India.
Yeah.
Okay, I have seen only Kerala.
Entire South India means whoever needs, they will have a well.
Okay.
Now some people are going for borewell or even concealed well.
Uh-huh. So that is actually really good because when we come to place like this, we feel like more connected to the nature. So your house is having nature as well as your peaceful environment within the house, outside the house. So that is really good. Keep it up. And I really like your house. I have showed to my viewers also. Like you can see this entire house. If you will see the details also, everything is connected with the like roots of the nature. So if you will see the plants, if you will see the design of the house, so everything is made like, I personally found it more like a temple. Because like the other things which are there, what you
Two
call
idols
it?
are there, right?
Yeah, 2 idols are also there, and these idols also.
Tinu idol and Deva idol.
These 2 idols. We have these 2 guests also here. What is this, Dakshina? What is we call this? Nilavalakku. Seen in the temples basically, but I'm seeing over here. So why there are so many? It's for the decoration. Okay. This is called Nilavalakku. Okay. Nilavalakku. Okay. So only in Kerala I have seen personally. Again, I'm telling you this because in the temples I have seen this kind of thing which is used for aarti and all. In North India and all, we are having a plate kind of a thing in which we have so many diyas to place and we are doing a aarti like this. But here it's like a, you can say like it's on the fixed position and you will Nilavala. I do not know how to pronounce it well. Okay, forgive me for my bad pronunciation. Huh? Okay, so this was all about this. If you want to know more about how like such houses are maintained, or if you want any tips, comment over here. Other Malayalis will anyway comment and let you know. Bye.
So currently we are here for a shoot and we are discussing about the most critical matters which no one is talking about. So आप ये पूरा वीडियो टेक्न्यूरॉन्स मीडिया हाउस के चैनल पर है, आप देख सकते हैं. ये एक पॉडकास्ट है इन विच वी आर बेसिकली टॉकिंग अबाउट द रियलिटीज़ ऑफ IT इंडस्ट्री एंड द ले ऑफ्स. दीज आर द मोस्ट कॉमन थिंग्स विच वी फेस. So for this podcast only I am getting ready and currently the shoot is going on. So here we are talking about very much serious matters, but it is very much essential because most of the people, almost everyone is going through all such situations in their IT industry. So no one will tell you what happens inside a company. So here we are directly talking with the CEO of Techneurons. So they are just clearing our doubts regarding the changes or layoff or work-life imbalance and all. So for this, proper setup has been called and we are like properly shooting for this. So this was my first time where I am speaking openly like this.
Actors are having chaya time. This is our lead hero. Sir, please. We have our lead hero and we have our coffees given by Dakshina with some cookies, and we have our host here, Mr. Dev Narayanan, and we have our administrative officer here, production control team.
हाथ में चाय का कप हो और बाहर मौसम बारिश का हो चुका है, तो केरला में ऐसे ही वेदर चेंज होता है.
यहाँ पे बारिश आ चुकी है. अभी आप देख सकते हो जब मैंने अपनी वीडियो स्टार्ट की थी तब कितनी ज़्यादा गर्मी थी, एंड नाउ इट स्टार्टेड रेनिंग. Rain from like watching rain from the houses of Kerala is really the best thing you can ever do because it's so peaceful and it's more like you're sitting in a very like a cafe which is filled with lot of plants, and the view cannot be visible now because it's now raining heavily, but it will be visible soon after the rain. But I would like to enjoy this rain with a cup of chaya and this beauty, and I will be listening to KK songs. How many of you know about KK? Basically, KK was very famous Bollywood singer, and like he was from Trishur, that's what I heard, but I do not know the reality. KK was a famous singer and he sang so many good songs like this Dilli Baadat Kar Raha Hai, like that songs. So anyways, tell me if you know about KK more.
Do comment and let us know more about Kerala houses and the mandatory things. And you can watch this entire podcast on Techneurons Media House YouTube channel. For sure, this can give you an entire overview of how to sustain your life in IT industry. Bye.